Hey guys, welcome back. We have Hurricane Milton coming tonight. Looks like landfall is going to be Sarasota, so guys, please stay safe. If you're close by the water, I believe they have a mandatory evacuation. If you're on the water, stay safe guys. We're going to do a quick walkthrough. You can see we already have some flooding here by the Mulberry. We got Groomy Chama here. So this is what this is looking like before the hurricane gets here. I'll do another video after it passes and we'll see how everything looks then. We got key lime. The guava's already tilted from a few storms ago. Just haven't had time to prop this one back up because I got to do a few things. I want to cut it back. We got Carrie putting on some more flowers. Sweetheart lychee. It's gonna get a little windy over here, so you may not hear me. Come back here, everything is, look at the cassava. That will probably be down after the hurricane. We're gonna leave the greenhouse. Not gonna take the plastic off of it, but you can see here everything's nice and clear. Last hurricane there was moss and branches everywhere. I just finished picking all that stuff up. Now we got to do it again. It's going to start getting windy here, but I want to show you guys the water at the fence line. Already starting to flood here. That's from the last hurricane. The water's right here, right up to the fence line. We'll take a look at the bananas. On the last hurricane, we did lose a rack. Let's go through here. Looks like the hurricane's gonna come through Sarasota and then go up towards Orlando, they're saying. But that can change at any time. It's only like 9 o'clock in the morning now, so we still have a lot more time for that hurricane to move, change directions. We have these racks here that hopefully they'll be here when the hurricane passes, but this one's already tilted, so we'll see. I'll show you the one from the last hurricane. Nice rack. I'm gonna go ahead and leave this one and see if they ripen up. But there's so many more. Look at this one coming out. We got racks for days. So everything's nice and clear right now. No moss on the ground, no branches. Carrie looking good. Buddha's gonna protect us. So just stay safe guys. I'm gonna end this video here. I'll check back in with you guys as soon as the hurricane passes. I'll see you on the next one.